Hi, my name is Daniel. Welcome back to Code FP, your tutor for full stack development course. So today we'll be learning about HTML, structure of a web page. So HTML is actually a hypertext markup language. It's a skeleton of a web page. It tells the browser what content should appear like text, image, link, forms, how it should be organized as the headline, section, and the list. Without HTML, there is no content on the website, just a blank page. So example, if a house is equal to a website, then HTML is the walls and the rooms. So this is HTML document. So every HTML file has this document you are seeing here. So when you see the doc type HTML or document type HTML, is actually telling you that we are using HTML5, and HTML means that the root of the document is actually an HTML, and the header is the meta information like title, links to CSS, search engine optimization information, and the body is actually shows what on the page like text, images. So we'll be learning about common HTML tags. So we have the text. So the H1 to H6 is actually like the heading. So the H1 is the biggest and the H6 is the smallest. Then you come across P, that's the paragraph. Then you come across strong, that's the bolding the text. Then M is to italic text. Then P are line break. So link and media. So when you see a hash is equal to http slash google dot visit google.com, this is to tell you that there's a link. And when you see image src photo dot jpeg alternative a photo, it shows that this is an image. And when you see video src video dot mp4 controls, this is to tell you that is an image. So you come across lists, that's the UL, unordered, 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 that's bullet. When you see OL, it's actually ordered list, that's numbers, LI is item list. So in HTML, this is how the table is. practice. So when we say semantic actually is a meaningful tags like improved search engine optimization or accessibility. So that's the header. So top header or logo navigation, then the nav, that's the menu or navigation. But then you see main, that's the main content. You see section, that's the content section. Then you see article, that's the blog or article post. Then further to you see your bottoms of the pages, that's the contact and copyright. So instead of writing everything inside your div, semantic tag explain what. So we'll practice on, we'll create about you. So this is a takeaway, a takeaway. So this is a practice. You create about yourself in HTML and you save it and you put it on the comment section. So our next topic we will be moving into CSS or styling layout. So thank you.